If you're here, it means you've already found leaplearn.net, a world-class learning management system for youth sports and education. How can Leap Learning help you? Well, you can discover that you can upskill your instructors very, very quickly. You can check out the enhanced curriculums in many programs, and you can actually get started today. It features instructor training, curriculums, activity video library, skill progressions, custom lesson planning, and class management in many different programs that are popular today, such as gymnastics, learn to swim, trampoline, cheerleading, dance, perceptual motor, special needs, and many more planned. But how does it actually work? Well, we're glad you asked. In this quick sample, you'll have it customized for you. Your company name and logo will be up at the top, and you'll be able to access level courses, skill courses, an activity library, your instructors and tracking them, and your lessons, and much more that you create in your Leap application. The home page is dependent upon the level you are at. There are 4 different access levels, and of course instructors just see very little, managers would see more, authors would see more, owner-operators would see even more. But let's take a sample. In the level courses, let's say we chose girls gymnastics. You would see 6 different courses come up here. In boys gymnastics, you would also see 6 different courses come up, and this is again for recreational. If you saw kids gym or preschool gymnastics, there are 5 different level courses, and this is for training your instructors. Let's go back to girls gymnastics, and let's look at level 1 course. So these courses are assigned to your staff within the instructors. Up here at the top menu, you see your instructors. You'll end up putting them in and then assigning them a course. So you can see that the basics of the level 1 course on vaulting, some skills on bars, some skills on balance beam, skills on tumbling. These are beginning level skills that your instructors need to know. Mini tramp, trampoline in case you have that, dance, and an assessment at the end. So if we went into any of the skills, let's just say tumbling for example, and a cartwheel over a folded mat on both sides. The instructor going through the course would see the video, they would see tips on movement, they would look at the equipment they might need. They'd also, after watching the video, take a look and see that they've been mentored on the activity, they've watched it being taught, and they've taught it in a live class. So for instructor education and certification, or what we call assessment, they are certifying that they've been through these 3 situations. There might also be a couple of questions on these as they go through each level skill in each level course. And those courses are assigned online, and it's very easy to see how that works. So you'll see it in the instructors, and you'll be able to monitor their progress through it, assign them, etc. for girls gym, boys gym, kids gym, and of course if you subscribe to other programs, the other areas will show up. Now, something else you can do besides just looking at skill courses or level courses is skill courses. And that means, let's just choose girls gymnastics for example. We could type anything in here and look at progressions for a particular skill. So if we started typing in cartwheel, you can see what comes up here. We're looking at progressions for an aerial cartwheel. You want the instructors just to go a little deeper, and there's 4 progressions for an aerial cartwheel that'll show the video and the movement and everything else that's needed. In addition, since there are over 1,000 activities in here, you can select your curriculum. You could select girls, level 3, tumbling, and those skills would come up. And you'd be able to see those and access any of those. Maybe as importantly is the My Lessons section, wherein you can actually create your own lessons here. You can create them from scratch if you wish by adding a lesson. And you can see here it'll walk you through different things that you would be able to do as you go through and add your own lesson. Or you can actually look at our templates that are here. You can actually clone a template for a 3 rotation class rotation or a 4 rotation class rotation if you wish. Either way, when you create your own or clone the template, if you go through the author tutorials, you'll be able to use and import any activity from the activity library that's already there. Any of the boys, girls, kids or preschool, at any level, with any event, you're able to do that, including the warm-ups and the greeting and the rotations and the fun finish and the goodbyes. All of that you can create yourself. So this is just a very, very quick tour of some of the features inside the LeapLearn, the world-class learning management system for youth sports, arts, and education. Again, leaplearn.net.